Source: Keryx Biopharmaceuticals, Inc. Boston, April 19, 2018. Globe Newswire. Keryx Biopharmaceuticals, Inc. NASDAQ. Keryx, a biopharmaceutical company focused on bringing innovative medicines to people with kidney disease, today announced that data from an investigator-sponsored trial that evaluated ferric citrate, ERA-EDTA, use in patients with advanced chronic kidney disease, CKD, will be presented at the 55th European Renal Association European Dialysis and Transplant Association ERA-EDTA Congress taking place in Copenhagen from May 24 to 27, 2018. The late-breaking abstract, randomized trial of the effects of ferric citrate in patients with advanced chronic kidney disease, is scheduled for presentation on Friday, May 25, 2018 at 11:45 a.m. Jeffrey Block, MD, Director of Clinical Research at Denver Nephrology and Principal Investigator of the trial, will present the data. The abstract is now available on the ERA-EDTA website. The ERA-EDTA includes over 7,000 physician members internationally, and its objective is the advancement of medical science and clinical work in nephrology, dialysis, renal transplantation, hypertension and other related topics. About ERA-EDTA, ferric citrate tablets. ERA-EDTA, ferric citrate, was approved by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, on September 5, 2014 for the control of serum phosphorus levels in adult patients with chronic kidney disease on dialysis, and approved by the FDA on November 6, 2017 for the treatment of iron deficiency anemia in adult patients with chronic kidney disease not on dialysis. ERA-EDTA tablets were designed to contain 210 mg of ferric iron, equivalent to 1 gram of ferric citrate, and offers convenient mealtime dosing. The starting dose of ERA-EDTA for the treatment of hyperphosphatemia for patients on meters and dialysis is 6 tablets per day, 2 per meal, and for the treatment of iron deficiency anemia in patients not on dialysis is 3 tablets per day, 1 per meal. For more information about ERA-EDTA and the U.S. full prescribing information, please visit www.ERA-EDTA.com. Important U.S. safety information for ERA-EDTA, ferric citrate, CONTRAINDICATION. ERA-EDTA, ferric citrate, is contraindicated in patients with iron overload syndromes, e.g., hemochromatosis. Warnings and precautions. Iron overload, increases in serum ferritin and transferrin saturation, TSAT, were observed in clinical trials with ERA-EDTA in patients with chronic kidney disease, CKD, on dialysis treated for hyperphosphatemia, which may lead to excessive elevations in iron stores. Assess iron parameters prior to initiating ERA-EDTA and monitor while on therapy. Patients receiving concomitant intravenous IV iron may require a reduction in dose or discontinuation of IV iron therapy. Risk of overdosage in children due to accidental ingestion. Accidental ingestion and resulting overdose of iron-containing products is a leading cause of fatal poisoning in children under 6 years of age. Advise patients of the risks to children and to keep ERA-EDTA out of the reach of children. Adverse reactions. Most common adverse reactions with ERA-EDTA were hyperphosphatemia in CKD on dialysis, diarrhea 21%, discolored feces 19%, nausea 11%, constipation 8%, vomiting 7%, and cough 6%. Iron deficiency anemia in CKD not on dialysis, discolored feces 22%, diarrhea 21%, constipation 18%, nausea 10%, abdominal pain 5%, and hyperkalemia 5%. Specific populations. Pregnancy and lactation. There are no available data on ERA-EDTA use in pregnant women to inform a drug-associated risk of major birth defects and miscarriage. However, an overdose of iron in pregnant women may carry a risk for spontaneous abortion, gestational diabetes and fetal malformation. Data from rat studies have shown the transfer of iron into milk, hence, there is a possibility of infant exposure when ERA-EDTA is administered to a nursing woman. To report suspected adverse reactions, contact Keryx Biopharmaceuticals at 1-844-445-3799. Please click here to view the full prescribing information for ERA-EDTA. About Keryx Biopharmaceuticals, Inc. Keryx Biopharmaceuticals, Inc., headquartered in Boston, Massachusetts, is focused on the development and commercialization of innovative medicines that provide unique and meaningful advantages to people with kidney disease. The Keryx team consists of approximately 200 committed people working with passion to advance the care of people with this complex disease. This dedication has resulted in 2 FDA-approved indications for Keryx's first medicine, ERA-EDTA, ferric citrate tablets. For more information about Keryx, please visit www.keryx.com. Forward-looking statements. Some of the statements included in this press release may be forward-looking statements that involve a number of risks and uncertainties. For those statements, we claim the protection of the safe harbor for forward-looking statements contained in the Private Securities Litigation Reform Act of 1995. Among the factors that could cause our actual results to differ materially are the following: the benefits seen by patients using Auryxia outside the clinical setting, our ability to successfully market Auryxia, as well as whether we can increase adoption of Auryxia in patients with CKD on dialysis, and successfully launch Auryxia for the treatment of iron deficiency anemia in patients with chronic kidney disease, not on dialysis, whether we can maintain our operating expenses to projected levels while continuing our current clinical, regulatory and commercial activities, our ability to continue to supply Auryxia to the market, the risk that increased utilization by Medicare Part D subscribers will increase our gross-to-net adjustment greater than we anticipate, and other risk factors identified from time to time in our reports filed with the Securities and Exchange Commission. Any forward-looking statements set forth in this press release speak only as of the date of this press release. We do not undertake to update any of these forward-looking statements to reflect events or circumstances that occur after the date hereof. This press release and prior releases are available at http://www.keryx.com. The information found on our website is not incorporated by reference into this press release and is included for reference purposes only. Keryx Biopharmaceuticals. Contact me Sullivan, SVP, Corporate Affairs, 617.466.3519 amy.sullivan@keryx.com.